a run through of the app I created for the 2021 California State Science Fair. First, the user should select a country from the five below. Before selecting a country, they should also read the instructions, which read as when at your chosen country's page, select vaccine and social distancing percentages. V and SD serve as abbreviations. Here are the possible vaccine percentages, and here are the possible social distancing percentages. Say, for example, the user wanted to check for the United States. They would click United States. They would then select a vaccine percentage. Say they want to check for 20% and press enter. Here are the number of cases in the United States if 20% of the population is vaccinated. Here are the number of deaths, and here are the number of people immune. And now they want to check for social distancing. They want to see what it's like when 30% of the population stays socially distant and 20% stays vaccinated. Here are the number of cases, the number of deaths, and the number of people immune. Now the user wants to further investigate the U.S. vaccination trial. So they press U.S. vaccination trial button. This will bring them to this page. Here is a graph that shows the infection rate, the death rate, as well as the number of people immune for the United States during this trial. In this text, it tells the user how the U.S. should mitigate the virus based on their reproductive value. Now, say the user wants to investigate the social distancing trial for the U.S. They would press this button. Here, they'll bring them to this page, which is a graph showing the same thing as it showed on the vaccine trial, as well as as text that tells the user how the U.S. should mitigate the virus, but this time it implements social distancing. Now, say the user wants to go back to the numbers for the U.S. They would press this button. All the data that they inputted earlier would still be here, and they would be able to check for other percentages and repeat with the trials. Now, for example purposes, say the user wants to check for Spain. They'll put in a vaccine percentage. Here are the numbers. A social distancing and vaccine percentage. Here are the numbers. The Spain vaccine trial with the text, and a Spain social distancing trial with the text, and go back to the main menu to repeat.